Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to see who viewed my TikTok videos. TikTok lets you see who views your profile, and now they have added an option to see who has viewed your videos. I'll show you how to see who has viewed your TikTok videos. Now let's get started to enable post views on TikTok. First, ensure you have updated the TikTok app to the newest version. Then open the TikTok app and then you need to go to your profile. Click on this menu icon in the top right corner and now you need to click on this settings and privacy option. Next, click on the privacy option. Scroll down and now you can find this post views option in here. So tap on it. Tap the switch to enable this feature. Once you turn this on, you will be able to see which of your followers have viewed your videos, and people you follow will be able to see when you viewed their posts. Post views will only be available for 7 days. After the date a TikTok is posted, that's all it takes to enable post viewing history on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.